guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Another day, another vlog. So today, you guys, we are going to go to Walmart again. I've been going to Walmart so much lately, but we're gonna go to Walmart. I have to restock the refrigerator. So we have food and stuff inside of the deep freezer and inside of the refrigerator, but now I just have to put some other little things inside of the refrigerator. So we're gonna go to Walmart and do that. So that's what I'm about to do. You guys, I just have on this black bodysuit that I got from Target, and I got on these blue jeans that I got from Walmart. Y'all, I love these jeans. I have to go get me another pair. Y'all, I cannot see. I can see, but I can't see. So, matter of fact, let me put on my glasses. So I can see, but I wasn't able to see nothing, you guys. So I just put my glasses back on. But I don't know if I want to wear my glasses today or if I want to put my contacts in, because... Alright, so before we head to Walmart, we are heading inside of Macy's. I'm gonna just look for me a shirt, and I don't know what baby's looking for, but baby looks so cute today, you guys. I gotta show y'all a Florida State shirt, probably when we get on the inside, because it's so bright out here I could barely see. So we're here at Macy's, and y'all see, look at her little hat. So cute, so cute. But yeah, and y'all, my glasses are transitional. I'm so happy. But hello. So y'all, they are jamming in here, like so much music. Alright, you guys, so we are back at Sam's Club again. We just have a couple of things to get from here first, and then we are going to go to Walmart, like I said, and pick up the rest of the stuff from Walmart. This girl here has to watch her Florida State game. So we're standing in line because we never got our card from Sam's Club. I've just been doing the scan and go, but I'm gonna try to see if I could get me a card today. Hopefully their card machine, I'm about to knock my glasses off. Hopefully their card machine is working. So we're gonna see. All right, y'all, so remember I told y'all I had got my Uggs from Sam's. I only see the men's this time, but I don't see them in women. But if y'all anything like me, I normally wear men's shoes anyway. All of my tennis shoes are in men's shoes, but these are the Uggs. Now I got mines like this from the actual Ugg store, but my other little Ugg booties, the ones that I showed y'all in my other video, I got those from here. So if you get them from here, they're $84. So again, y'all, we are about to go in the produce section, and like I said, I don't go in there. It be too cold. CC, oh, this thing about to run us over. This thing about to run CC over. So yeah, let me get my phone so I can see exactly what we need. All right, y'all, so this is what we have so far. Cece got 2 towels, we got crab cakes, 2 waters, she got 2 creamers. Down there we also have lunch meat, cucumbers for me because Cece don't eat cucumbers, grapes, and peppers. Now I'm about to get some I'm about to get this apple juice, y'all. This apple juice is bomb. Apple and Eve, the 24 pack. This is good. Alright, y'all, so we are all done. On our way to the car. We really didn't get too much from here. Like I showed y'all earlier what was in the basket. We just got some extra. We got crab cakes, a box of chips, and Cece got some Stella Rose, and that's about it. We didn't get anything else from here, but we are on our way to Walmart. Now y'all, now I keep thinking about this. So Cece asked me the other day why it sound like I be out of breath when I be talking. I have no idea, y'all. I noticed that when I watched my other video, and it sounded like I was like so out of breath. But I don't know. I don't know. But alright, y'all, so we finna put this stuff in the car and then I'll see y'all at Walmart. So we finally made it over here to Wally World. Hopefully it's not as crazy. Hopefully they cleared it out for a celebrity like me. She ain't worried about me, y'all. She ain't stunning y'all because she is into that game. And she probably don't even hear nothing I'm saying. But yeah, so we're gonna go inside of Walmart. Y'all, I need to stop touching my hair. I need to get my hair done. My wig just came in, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm about to bring that blonde hair back. So y'all stay tuned. But I noticed I touch my hair a lot. And I need to stop doing that. But yeah, so we're about to go in and I'll show you guys what we are going to get. So you guys, we need to get salad and we need a lot of stuff, y'all. But Cece got my phone, so I just have to pry it away from her. I tried this blue cheese. This blue cheese right here is bomb.
Screen game, last possession. There was two screens that they utilized. They go back to it, but the big defense ready.
Y'all gonna use some for salads. If we pre-made barbecue, if you cook. What kind of onion is it? Sweet or yellow?
Yellow.
Because of car that doesn't make you
What's sweet farm though? You sure? What's that down in those other guys?
Our deals are happening October 7th.
Okay, your home auto and business vehicle are all protected with Progressive.
Nice. It gets a bit overwhelming running a business and family.
Sounds like someone could use a vacation.
But what?
A vacation, like taking a break from the stresses of life and work.
Well, when I'm logging everyone's hours so I can sit for a while.
Yeah.
Well, like the delivery of my van and the song comes on and everything. So like when I take my work van to the car wash and it's all quiet and that tough for like 5 minutes.
No, it's like when you go away and take pictures. I don't know.
Seeing other guys step on, that's a huge play. Just his third catch of the season. And I'm going to play Tommy Castellanos. Give him some flowers. 9 of 10, 19 yards and a touchdown. Regardless of who he's throwing to, he's been effective. Agency right where it's at. It should move to Jerry World, that beautiful facility Jerry Jones has built. Agency right there. State Fair, Texas. Traditions, music, by the day, by the year.
Never happened when you put them little Debbie's up there. You're gonna fudge a little bit, huh?
First things first, I had to take those shoes off. I had on tennis shoes all day, and y'all know my feet felt like they were trapped in something. Of course they were trapped in my shoes, but it was driving me crazy all day. So now that we're home, I had to go kick those bad boys off. But we're back. So we went to Walmart, we went to Sam's Club, we went to Wingstop, and now we're back home. So I'm not gonna put this set this stuff up. I'm just gonna show you guys everything that we have while I'm putting it up, okay? First things first, crab cakes. They changed the box. The box used to be red, now it's orange. So I'm going to, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna put these in the deep freezer, but I'm still gonna take them out of the box. And again, this is how they look, you guys. These are so good. Coffee creamer. Cece has 2. She drinks a whole lot more coffee than I do, so I only have, well, I have 2, but this is almost gone. So we got grapes. Y'all saw this apple juice, this Adam and Eve apple juice that we have. I said Adam and Eve. It says apple and Eve. Got 2 cases of water. 2 of these because we eat a lot of rice. Well, we do and we don't. But we just got 2. We picked up 2 of these, spicy and mild. We got peppers, and these came from Sam's Club. We got honey roasted turkey breast. I got cucumbers. I'm the only one who eat these. Cece don't like cucumbers, but I eat these as a snack. We got more eggs. We have the zesty apple cider vinaigrette dressing. This is from Chick-fil-A. I really like this. And then one day I just saw this and I wanted to try it, so I just picked it up, and this is really good. So I've been using this ever since then. So I have the blue cheese, the chunky blue cheese. Now I use this for if we have like hot wings and stuff like that. Cece wanted to try their ranch, so she picked up a ranch. And then I still have those chips from when I tried to make that rotel. Like I said, you guys, I hate rotel, but I have a whole bag of chips. So we just picked up this. So we just picked this up. We've had this before, so we just went ahead and got this. So y'all, Cece wanted me to make her some more cookies, so we picked this up as well. And we use a lot of cheese in this house. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 bags of cheese. And Cece picked this up. She's gonna make some little egg, I don't want to say casserole, what is it called? Just like with the eggs and the onion and the little stuff where you pre-make it or whatever. That's what this is for. So we have some apples. Have some sweet onion. I'm gonna put these in here. And y'all, Cece don't like her apples in the refrigerator. She'd rather them room temperature. We also picked up some little oranges, the mandarins. We have bananas. Y'all, we have so much stuff. We were supposed to just get refrigerator stuff like I said, but we picked up this Glade new, well, it's not new, but it's just a pumpkin scent. And we picked these up as well. Another carpet freshener. And some more bags. I thought these were so cute. Cece picked them up. They have the different colors, so those were so cute. All right, so let's see what else we have. Y'all saw this. I picked up this juice for Cece. And then I got this creamer for myself. And y'all, I keep my bags. So the wet bags I throw away. The dry bags I keep. Yeah. I also picked up some more coffee. I'm back. So we got some chips this time because this house didn't have any snacks. So we had to get snacks in this house. So we got more chips. This is for my little charcuterie board. It just have salami, it has pepperoni, pepper jack, and mild cheddar. in here. And then just some salad mix. We eat some salad throughout the week. Some hot cocoa, you guys. I forgot to get the extra marshmallows. We were gonna put some marshmallows on top because they don't give you enough marshmallows in the little pack. And y'all know it's getting cold outside, so this is gonna be so cute. We're gonna watch us a little movie, drink us some hot cocoa, and yeah. Then if y'all, let me tell y'all something. These pickled red onions are so freaking good. They good on your salad. They're good on pretty much anything you would eat onions on. I love these things. These things are so good. So I didn't pick up any cookies, you guys. I picked up these cinnamon rolls, the 2-pack cinnamon rolls. Now, hear me out. I was gonna get the 1-pack, but this was only like $1.25 more to get the 2-pack than it is to just get the 1-pack. So I picked these up. We got CC some hot sauce, which she gonna have this probably next year. And then we just got water packets. They're not called water packets, you guys. That's just what I call them, water packets.
Enhancers.
And then I have these. So this one, the Crystal Light one, like I told y'all in my last video, this one is for my pickles. So for pickles and for I have these pineapples in here where I take the juice from the pineapple and I mix it in here. So good, you guys. So good. So you want to show me? These two together, so good. Thank you, babe. And you guys, that is it. Only thing this is CC got another ironing board cover, and then I got a pair of black pants from Walmart. Other than that, everything else I done showed you guys what all we have. How much we 300. So at Walmart we spent $257, and at Sam's we spent $130
Plus $40 again.
plus $40 we put in the gas tank. So we were supposed to stay in the house today, but we wanted to go and put stuff in the refrigerator and spent a lot of money. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.